Embrace the three layers of tire I once carried proudly. They were the result of years of living life to the fullest, a testament to my good lifestyle choices. Knowing the risk of having a big belly, I started a challenge called Reduce Belly Fat. So I changed my lifestyle and I do some workout. Knowing the risk of having a Unlike other part of body, belly fat is really stubborn, but with my continuous lifestyle change, slowly and surely, my three layers of tire disappearing. The journey to a flatter tummy continues, and I'm more determined than ever. While I have made progress, I'm not stopping here. Every day, I'm pushing myself to be the healthiest and happiest version of myself. If you have been inspired by my progress, my journey to a healthier me, and my ongoing determination to flatten my tummy, please consider giving me a follow, a like, a share, and subscribing to my channel. You will witness my transformation into a fabulous 50s.